There you go.
Alright, going.
Trevor, talk. Sammy.
Hi.
Sammy, talk to brother. Talk to brother.
I'm taking care of you, Sammy. I'm a doctor. There's a lot of helpers mixed up in me.
Come on, you can talk? You can talk? What? Oh, I see a belly. I see a belly right there. I see a belly.
Oh, it's all better now. Feel it.
Oh, all better, huh?
Now.
All better. All better. Hi.
Now on his 5'10".
Say thank you, brother.
Not yet.
Thank you, brother.
Give me another wipey,
What do you say?
please.
Please what?
Please, Cat, I'm not gonna love you.
Hi.
I mean, 3 napkins. I mean, wipies. I mean, 3 of them.
No, only one, honey. There you go.
To hold a napkin, you need these hands.
Oh, gonna cool off, Sammy? Yeah. You feel good? Yeah.
Now for the injection again.
What are you gonna do?
I'm going to push Sammy's head in. I don't want my hands to get burned. These gloves
Right.
will take my hands. The top
Yeah?
ones do. Chee bang bang, chee chee bang bang, chee bang bang, chee chee bang bang.
Hi.
We're going to push Sammy's head in.
You feel good? You feel good? Not so hard, honey. Oh, ticka 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 ticka. Oh, ticka ticka ticka.
Not yet.
Oh, ticka.
Now again. Now this time I do it.
Oh, ticka ticka ticka. It's a hot one out there, honey. Yeah, go cool you down. Go cool you down.
Mom,
Yeah, a hot one out there.
Mom, you get this one on his stomach.
Oh.
You push it down and hold it until it's all cold and nice.
All right, love you, boys.
Love you guys.
Love you. Say
Alright, send the
bye-bye.
video to Daddy.
Oh, yeah, definitely got to send the bill to Daddy. Love you.
You can also send the video to Daddy.
Love you.
Love you guys. You can also
Oh, look, you can't see.
Watch me say this. You can also send a video to anybody. Nat is cool.
All right, baby, I think he's done.